I'm against Islam. I'm against telling women they can't choose their own. Against fear dressed up in a holy code. I like freedom, loud and backyard smoke, pulled pork sandwiches and terrible jokes. Yeah, I love dogs riding shotgun in the truck at dawn, Sunday coffee,